Hello people, Rick M here. Today we are changing the cabin air filter in a 2003 Buick Century.
Use this tool if you got it. It's underneath there in prize. It's supposed to anyways. Alright, let's try this one. Let's try just to unscrew it. Okay. That's how that works. You just unscrew it. Let's put this where you won't lose it. Oh, there's these little jerks. Alright, hang on. These things over here. This thing. See if these will work for it. Alright, get you a small screwdriver. That don't work. Just a wiggle underneath. Maybe get your fancy tool again, or another fancy tool. There you go. Pops right out. This should come right out. It takes some wiggling. Or get your tool back out. There we go. This just goes together like so. This goes in here like that. Then when you push it back in, it spreads this part out and retains the plastic.
As you can see over by the, what is that? Like right in the middle of the windshield, right here. Another one of those clips. Alright. Got that one out. Got that one out.
This is where the wide angle lens on the iPhone 11 comes in handy. You get to almost the whole thing in one shot. Let's move that out of your way. And that's your prize. Added more light. Now just lift up, pull out, kind of cockeyed. There you go. And let's see here. Is this bad? Yes. It's not great. But also, while you're here, you want to check your squirrel cage, which is that thing down in there. If there any debris or anything like that, I don't see nothing. But everything that was in that filter could be down in there because without this filter there. That's the whole reason they got, I guess, invented. Sorry about that, it's a magnet on the light. Now, you get your new filter. That's the part number from Fram. They're not a sponsor. I bought this. Let's put it back in. Now, last one I did to these, I said about the airflow. But this one here, just make sure the tab's at the front to pull it out with. That's what I gotta do with this. And boom, done. It's in there. That's all it takes. It takes more time to get out this cowl piece, whatever you want to call it, than to change the actual filter. put this back in like so. We got all this in there. Go back to the wide. There's the wide lens, wide angle. Let's put your hose back in here. That goes in there like so. Line up your holes. Let's put this one here in the end. Back in. I mean, it's pretty much gravy now. Alright. I believe I'm going to call it the end of the video because you saw how I took it apart. Although I would advise to maybe get one of these tools if you're doing this stuff often. I'll link it in the description. And there's the old filter, by the way. Let's see. It's not horribly bad. See if we can see light through it. There's a little bit peeking through. Do the other side. Yeah, it was time. But anyway, I'll link this in the description. Handy tool to have if you're gonna do plastic stuff, or at least fragile stuff. I like it. I always go. It was cheap, like 15 bucks or something. It was super cheap. But I'll link it in the description. It's worth the money. That's the end of the video.